O-N-E?
O-N-E. Lily.
And Rosie, you're flying. Not messing you. Alright, Darren, is she doing a good job?
Yeah.
Hi, Rose.